everyone. Hope you all are doing well. So this is 6th class mathematics part B. In addition or subtraction of a fraction, first we need to take out the LCM of the denominators. Here in this case, the denominators are 5 and 5. The fractions which have the same denominators are known as like fraction. So the fractions, the addition or subtraction of like fraction is quite easy. Just what we need to do is we need to write down the denominator as it is and numerators, what are the given numerators here, 3 and 1, and here the given operation is addition. So 3 plus 1 means we'll get 4 by 5. So our answer will be 4 by 5. Now we need to look at which option 4 by 5 is given in the answers. So here at option B, it is given as 4 by 5. So thereby our answer will be B option for first problem. Moving on to the second problem, it is subtraction of integers. Here -2 and 5 are two integers. For that we have to find out the subtraction. Let's solve it. -2 of -5. Well, when two integers are there with the same sign, we need to add. We need to add them up. So 2 plus 5 means we will get 7, and we have to give the sign of the given number sign. So this is the answer -7 for second question. So now look at which option -7 is given. So at C it is given as -7. Okay, all right. So we'll take an additional example. When two integers are there with the same sign of plus, 2 plus 5. So we have to do addition only and give the sign of plus. So but we here, what is the sign with the numbers? That is plus, but we don't mention the sign of plus. So that's why our answer will be 7. One more example. If two numbers are there with the opposite sign, one is plus and other one is minus. One is minus, other one is plus. So in this case, what we need to do means we need to find out the difference of the number. 5 minus 2 will get 3. Here also 5 minus 2 will get 3. And we need to write the sign of bigger number sign. So here in this case, 5 is the bigger number, with 5 minus sign is there. So we need to write down the minus sign here. In the second one, here 5 is the bigger number, here with 5 plus sign is there. So but we don't mention the sign of plus. So that's why our answer here will be 3. And there we'll get -3 as our answer. So what we need to remember means two integers are there with the same sign. We need to add them up and give the sign of the numbers, what sign they with the numbers are there. If opposite signs are there for the two integers, we need to find out the difference and give the sign of the bigger number. Okay, moving on to our third problem. Number of factors do 30 has. Number of factors do 30 has. So here, how many factors do the number 30 has, we need to find out. So before that, before going towards the solution, first we should learn about what is mean by a factor. Factor means, factor, if one number divides the other number exactly, means remainder is 0, then the number is said to be a factor of the other number. Means if two numbers are there and one number is completely dividing the other number, then the first number is said to be a factor of the second number. So now see, factors of 2. Factors are nothing but factors of a number. Means in simple ways we can say that in which table do we get that number. So 2 we get in the table of 1 and table of 2. 1 2s are 2, 2 1s are 2. Like that. Factors of 4. 1 4s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4. So we get the number 4 in one table, two table, and four table. Factors of 6. 1 6 are 6, 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6, and 6 1s are 6. Thereby we can say that the factors for of 6 are 1 2 3 and 6, like that. Factors of 30. 30 we get in these tables: 1 2 3 5 6 10 15 30. 130 is a 30, 2 15s are 30, 3 10s are 30, 5 6 are 30, 6 5 is a 30, 10 3 is a 30, 15 2s are 30, 31s are 30. So thereby how many factors we are getting here means we are able to get here 8 factors for number 30. So total number of factors 30 has means it is correct answer is 8. At C option we are able to get the correct answer. So our answer will be C for third problem. Moving on to fourth problem. It is addition of decimal numbers. 1.25 plus 0.50. Only one thing what you have to remember in addition or subtraction of decimal means you should keep decimal point under the decimal point only. The remaining procedure as usual only. One thing you have to remember means point should be kept under the point. Let's solve it. 1.25 point 0.50. So 5 plus 0 means 5, 2 plus 5 means 7. Point is written as it is. 1 plus 0 means we'll get 1. So our answer will be 1.75. Now look at which option 1.75 is given in the question paper. 1.75 is at D option over here. So our answer will be D. Question number 5. Which of these are right angle? So types of angles, we should know about the types of angle. 0 degree options are given as 0 degree, 45 degree, 135 degree, 90 degrees. Let's have a look on types of angles. Here types of angles: acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight line angle, reflex angle, complete angle, or full rotation. Angles are measured in degrees. So acute angle means when angle measures between 0 and 90 degrees, it is called an acute angle. Means if the angle is more than 0 but less than 90 degrees, that is nothing but an acute angle. If the angle measures exactly 90 degrees, that is nothing but a right angle. If the angle measures more than 90 but less than 180, that is nothing but an obtuse angle. So exactly 180 degrees represents a straight line angle. The angle which is more than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees, that is nothing but a reflex angle. And exact 360 degrees represent complete angle. Exact 90 degrees represent right angle. Exact 180 degrees represent straight angle. And 360 degrees represents complete angle. Here in fifth question, what is being asked? Which of these are right angle? So right angle means 90 degrees. At which option 90 degrees is given here? Option D. So our answer will be D option. Moving on to next sixth problem, which is not a factor of 42. Well, in the previous question, one of the question was given based on factor only. So in that we have got the concept what is meant by a factor. So here in this question, it is asked that which is not a factor of 42. So you try to find it out and answer me in the comment section. Moving on to seventh problem. A line segment has dash endpoints. Line segment has dash endpoints. A line segment has two endpoints. If a line has only one endpoint, means that is a ray. If a line has no endpoint, that is nothing but a straight line. Straight line. But what is being asked in this question? Line segment has how many endpoints? So line segment has two endpoints. So option C will be the correct answer. Moving on to next eighth question. Loss can express as dash integer. Loss represented by negative integers and profits are represented by positive integers, which represents a line. Question number 9. So line means a straight line. So in the previous one of the problems we discussed that straight line has no end point. So it is neither A nor B, but it is exactly option C. So our answer will be option C. Okay, last question of this session. Which represents a right angle? In the angles, when we discuss about the angles, we have seen the pictures which are representing the particular type of angle. So here right angle means 90 degrees, it measures 90 degrees. So here option B